Through Accounting Management module, you can manage invoice, receipt, petty cash, online payment, and all financial activity related to your firm. Here, you can get all financial reports of company, pending invoices, pending payments, advance, expected and actual costing. Here, you can generate multi-currency wise invoice, and through your integrated payment gateway, you can collect online payment from your client. In this module, under the New Bill or Invoice tab, you can create a new invoice for a client. You can choose group name, client and services offered. Create invoice for Utopia Solutions of Bookkeeping Services Quarter 1. You can also choose applicable tax from the given options. You can also see the total bill in the bottom. There is also an option of Performa invoice, so it will display the services of that client which you have included in Performa invoice. Also, by clicking plus sign, you can add those services in tax invoice. You can also mark if any particular service is free service. You can also create invoices for your multiple companies. As soon as you save invoice details, you can see invoice copy from here. Admin and your client are also notified through email and SMS. Soft copy of invoice will be sent with email to client, and payment link will attach along with invoice, so any client can make payment of particular invoice, and payment receipt note will be updated in the application automatically. And by clicking on Bill or Invoice List tab, you can see the list of invoices. You can also take printout of the same. Notifications for the pending invoices can also be sent to the client through email and SMS. Also, you can create group invoice and you get the group invoice list as well. You can also create group invoices for your multiple companies. Now comes the payment receipt. By clicking the new receipt under this, we can create receipt against an invoice. Receipt will contain essential details such as date, client's name, and mode of payment. After sending the receipt to the client, notification is sent to client through SMS and email. You can also manage advance payment receipt by clicking on Advance button. Later, you can manage this advance amount in receipt creation. And by clicking on Receipt List, you can see the list of receipt by choosing appropriate filters. You can also print out the receipt. You can also generate group receipt and also see the list. After payment receipt comes pending bill list. Pending bill list gives you the detail of the task whose bill generation is still pending. Here, you can see the details for pending bills such as task name, period, work mode, start date, end date, work progress details and remarks. Even previous activities for a particular task can be viewed here. You can also choose appropriate filters to see the desired information, and desired data can also be exported in an Excel format. Also, if required, bill can be generated for any rendered service. Next tab under Account is Pending Receipt List, which gives you detailed information about the task for which invoice is generated but payment is still not received. Margin information is a very important feature. From here, you get to know about the estimated man hours, actual spent man hours on a particular task, and hence know the actual cost incurred against the estimated cost. We can also see the invoice raised with its corresponding ID. This can also be used to see profitability for each task. Using appropriate filters, you can see the desired data, and it can also be exported in Excel. The next item is petty cash in this module. This is used for daily expense or deposit management. By clicking Add Expense or Deposit, you can record expense and deposit for your client or for your firm or for your multiple firms. And if you want to see the details of petty cash, you can simply click on Expense or Deposit list. Here also, you can use filters to see the data of your choice and also download the data in the Excel format. Also, if you want to take printout of a voucher, you can get it from the petty cash or expense list. Next is Proforma Invoice. Proforma Invoice is a prior step of creating invoice. This step is not mandatory. Later, you can convert any Proforma invoice to tax invoice, or you can directly generate tax invoice of any services. You can consider Proforma invoice is proposed charge amount document for particular service for particular client. Clicking on New Proforma, we land on a page where you can create a Proforma invoice. We can also create a group Proforma invoice by clicking on button Add New Proforma Group Invoice. And by clicking on Proforma List, we can see the list of Proforma invoice created. There is also provision of converting Proforma to actual invoice by clicking on the tab Transfer to Invoice. Notification can also be sent to the client through SMS and email, and this data can also be downloaded in Excel format. Next is Client Ledger. Here, you can generate ledger for a client which gives you all the transaction details with that client. Now, Ledger Adjustment helps you set opening balance or manage any direct payment or previous payment, the entry of which is not made in software. Click Reimbursement. Here, you can add reimbursement amount against services, and that can be directly added to invoice for particular services and shows separately, and tax will not apply on reimbursement amount. And you can get the list also.